What's up, everybody? Back here at the Hero Homestead. We are doing chicken run tonight. What does that mean? Yes, it is hilarious as you would expect, but also necessary. So as you guys know, we've been relocating all the animals, and I just rebuilt, a new chicken coop at the back of the property, back where some of our other critters are. And it was finally time for them to migrate to their new house. So the best way to do that is you do it at night, because one, all your chickens are already roosted, which means they're in for the night. They're pretty still, don't really have a whole lot of places to go. Sorry that I heard a coyote. That would have sucked, because like a fool, I am not strapped right now. But anywho, yeah, so they're roosted at night, obviously up for the night, so they can't really run around a whole lot. I mean, we kind of have the issue because, as you can see, I already took the front off of the house because I needed the material to make the new coop, but we still got it. And yeah, big shout out to Piper and Blake for pretty much too dark right now, but you guys can. I'll get a little closer. So we had a lattice fence around the whole chicken area here. I kind of mentioned it earlier. And it was, just something, it's kind of dark, but, fence, it was nice, and it kept them in. But we're going to make an enclosed run like I talked about for them. So Piper and Blake were out here during the day while I was at work, helping out the fam by stripping the fence back and reclaiming all the material, making it nice and neat so I could come home from work and rebuild it back there, which is something I'll show you later, because it's right now the posts are in, the concrete's in, and it's setting up. So, cool deal. But anywho, so moving the chickens at night, they're roosted. Then you can just basically walk in and grab them. I mean, you got to deal with some of them jumping and running around, which I'm not going to lie. Blake kind of got it handed to him by a few of these things. I'll show you later. We got some video of it. It was hilarious. But anywho, we were smart. Or by we, I mean I had a minimum stroke of genius. Took our little lawn tractor and our trailer, and I found these big crate boxes. I'm not sure what they were shipped in, but last spring when we were getting a lot of material, some different things from some guy that was selling a bunch of farm stuff, he said, you can look through the barn, whatever, and he had like 4 of these things, and they're awesome. So I thought, well, that's what we'll do. Popped one of these crates up on the wagon here, and just simple, you grab the chicken, throw it in a crate, shut the lid, pile as many as comfortably and safely fit in there without injuring them and without freaking them out, and then was able to drive back to the new coop and drop them in there. So yeah, you guys are going to enjoy this part. You got it, Blake?
Here, tickies.
So far, no one's loosed an eyeball.
Lost.
Loosed. We're hillbillies.
Lost.
Listen here, Linda.
No, English. Oh my God. Yeah!
Hey! Get in there!
what?
One tried to escape.
No. We're gonna be meat.
You guys get back.
Do that. Zach
Zach just doesn't know how to put a chicken back in a box.
Hey.
Like, push it in there.
Hey, I'll take all your lives, okay? Every last one of yous. Hi, Piper. Piper's the
I'm
flashlight.
scared of those guys.
I'll get those up there.
I'm going to get me in the back when I.
Because they're like the
You gonna get pooped on?
Those are
They're
the
like
daredevils.
Get me while I'm bent over.
Duh.
This one right there.
There's also a dead
Go get him.
chicken, which is really, really gross. I found a dead chicken carcass. That's really gross.
Well, that's why it smells so bad. What the heck?
I can't.
Something got attacked. Well, that sucks. Anywho.
Well, there's a little chicken. He's hurt.
Yeah, we'll
I'm
take
also not sticking my arm in there.
Hey. That's yours. They gave it to you. Hi, chickens.
Welcome to Blake Duck Walking to Chase a Chicken.
Don't fall down, Blake. Don't fall down. Piper, stay over here with the light, please. Oh, he's back in the house.
This is called Blake Don't Fall Down.
You gotta get in there.
What did you say? I could do it.
No!
Piper!
Oh, there goes the chicken.
If you're gonna be.
I'll bring that one back.
Off he goes. Into the
It's
nothing.
hard walking with the light.
Uh-oh. Stay right there.
If you're not.
There goes the chicken. Never to be seen again.
So difficult, Blake. You just grab him.
I don't know what's so difficult. You just walk through the door.
Yeah, like vision. I face through the door. There's a roof there, dude. Piper, he went through your legs.
Wow, that chicken be breaking some ankles.
Is that what we're proud about? breaking them ankles.
Look at the flick of that ankle.
There goes the chicken. Look at all the chickens.
This one that was perching down there.
Welcome to
Okay, my feet are
This is
No,
two grown men trying to catch tiny measly chickens.
You attacked me!
I'm not a grown man.
Alright, there's one in here and one perched.
Let me get this one because I can grab it quick.
They're oh gosh, they're plotting against the chicken.
The chicken! Alright, what you got, Blake? Where's that?
I caught that on video.
Don't chase him!
Wait a minute.
We'll
Fill
bring him
my
back this
cup.
way,
Put some
corner.
more
Well,
gas.
he's the dead one.
Jimmy, how are you?
Say that again.
He's dead one.
2 out of 10.
Thanks. You're so difficult to please, my dear.
Who, me?
I know.
Who, me or her?
So performance-wise, you did horrible.
Yeah,
Duck walking is not a good skill.
Dude, you see my ninja stance?
Blake's got a
I did.
beautiful ninja
You got
stance.
wide
That's
low,
what
buddy.
he is
I need
at
to see that on the
second
baseball
base.
field.
actually, I could chase
Piper is
chicken.
more terrifying in real life.
When he kills somebody,
Look at all
Go up at
those
that thing when we go by.
chickens.
you can't even see them.
Look at all those chickens. Bro, you need to shut up. Bro, shut up, bro. Shut up, bro.
I slipped in the mud. There's a tree branch.
Natalie has not been on Earth for too long.
Yeah.
You can tell by her
The only line I know is it's free real estate.
Natalie's actually an alien.
No, I'm
from
not.
Neptune.
You're not supposed to say that, Jenna.
My name's not even Jenna. She also has short-term memory loss.
That was scary.
Natalie here is
Fire.
actually,
Wait.
she's been dead for 5 years now,
Wait, I have?
but she hasn't realized yet.
Oh. Well, that's...
She's
okay,
a zombie
I guess
in
I don't care.
disguise. She even tricked her own self.
Hi there. Making their carbon footprint.
What?
Natalie said it smells like people making a carbon footprint.
Thanks.
Like a freaking...
Taco Bell puts eggs in their tortillas.
You need to go away.
That's what someone
Let's go, Trini.
We're gonna follow the chicken. How, from 1 to 10, how do you rate your experience so far?
the scariest moment of my life.
Shut up, Jack. You're not chicken. He said the transportation was horrible and he could have had room service. So overall, 0 out of 10. What about you, mister? Or ma'am? I don't know.
He says,
Light probably would be useful.
Just stay over here.
Okay. We're going to interview the chickens as they come. Hi, guys. How would you rate your experiences? From 1 to 10. 10 being the absolute best. Wow, those are some great reviews. We'll have to put that on Yelp. Wow, there's so much buzz. I just heard a noise. Stop. I just heard a noise that I didn't.
okay, let's go then. It's haunted.
You're just gonna leave me all by myself?
Yeah, you got abandoned. Your sister
Yeah,
said,
Trini,
I
I
don't even curve.
I don't
Hello, other chicken.
I got Sammy.
Sammy!
What's up, Sammy?
Oh, man.
Sammy's our special chicken. He's got a crooked face and a gimpy walk, but he's your best
And
buddy.
a
He'll
beard.
follow you everywhere.
He's my best
That's a
buddy.
beard! No, he has
You have a
sideburns.
beard. Get wrecked. Are we done?
Are we done?
Wow, you.
It's only been 5 years.
Look at my long freaking fingers. Wow.
I have stubby, fat bone fingers.
stubby fat bones.
Yeah.
I hope you have bones in your fingers.
No, some fingers are like yellow.
Jelly fingers.
Chicken
He's
fingers.
holding my hand.
No, he's not.
Yeah,
he's
he is.
trying to make sure that he's not dying.
Now he has chicken fingers. Chicken fingers.
It's like that one girl who pretends to have a disorder. Yeah, so like my bones, like I just can't feel pain because my bones are like, they don't have bones in them.
This is a
Piper, please rate your experience at working at this establishment.
realestate.com. Real estate
Oi,
hotel.
oi, answer my question.
I'm gonna head up. I got that gold star.
No one needs to know. Shut up.
He did that with like.
Rate your experience working at the
And I
establishment
swear if
from
you don't
0 to
fix this,
10.
I'm gonna.
Piper,
What?
he's scared. And he asked you to protect him.
Okay, I'm going.
Leaving the flashlight lantern in there while the kids conveniently beat themselves to death back here. But anywho, here they are in their new home. Wasn't completely horrible. It was a little troublesome. What
Some
is
of them
happening?
are not cute.
I want food. Don't point that in my face.
She got my hat. She is so gangster with my
She
baby
makes
stealing hat.
All right. trees.
Here we go, children. Thanks for all your help. High five. So as you can see, chicken wrangling is a work of art, a honed skill, and let's just say we were happy to be part of the game, not necessarily the most professional athlete on the field today. But it was a good time. It was really awesome having the kids out helping. They're still getting used to the hands-on part of the farming. They love it. Trinity's always a big help in the mornings with Celia, because since she's the one who gets them all off to the bus and school and everything, then she has time in her morning to let the animals out and feed them and all that. And Trinity has time in the morning because part of her day is virtual thanks COVID. Yeah, so she has time and she enjoys coming out and helping her mom, and she was pretty good. She did a lot of the commentary for us, as you could tell, but good sense of humor, that kid. But all of them were out here helping, from moving stuff, helping build stuff, helping tear down stuff, to chasing all the chickens. Man, crazy. But that's what it takes. It takes a village. It takes your whole tribe. And I'm glad. It's good because some of them don't like touching the chickens. You can find other jobs for them to do, whether it's chickens or it's animals or it's cars or whatever you're working on. Find them a job so they can be included, because sometimes, even though they act like they want to go in the house or say, can I just go in, or anything like that, it might, and usually is, because they don't feel useful or they're scared and they need reinforcement and re-encouragement to let them know, like, hey, every little bit helps. Everything's going to be all right, and you're important. So it was nice having all of them out here. They did a good job. Whether it was laughing at us or helping us, it was good. But chickens are moved, and that is a big weight off my shoulders. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's Jimmy the barn cat. Say hi, Jimmy the barn cat. Oh, hello. She thinks herself is pretty. Holy crap. I thought there was a person out here. It freaked me out. It was the puppy Bear. So we have half husky pup. We have my dog, who's a husky, and Celia's dog, who's a Great Pyrenees. And I guess people were liking that breed, so we bred him to see what would happen, because I would like to have offspring of my dog. He's awesome. Well, we kept 2 of the puppies, and the pause there was me freaking out, because when I was saying, hey, Jimmy, we've noticed that Bear is one of those dogs that can actually, like, talk. Not just the husky, like, rah, 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 howl thing. He's the kind that can kind of make out some words. I swear, I thought it was a person that just said Jimmy over there. And I didn't see anything, and it freaked me out until Bear kind of moved and grumbled a little bit. And I was like, wow, he can talk. So that's cool. Got a talking dog. Add that to the list of oddities and peculiarness to the homestead. But anywho, thought you guys would enjoy the chicken video and having the whole fam out there doing the work. I mean, yeah, it's dark, it's starting to rain, but work's gotta get done. And we have jobs, there's school and stuff, so if everyone just sits down at the end of the day because they're tired, nothing ever gets done. I know I've said that many times, but I like it. I like everybody, and I love it and appreciate everybody here, because they always they put in the sweat, they put in the time, and they get it done. And it's really awesome that even though they may grumble and make wise comments every now and again, or all the time, they truly in their hearts, they're good kids and they're good people, and we stick together and we work hard to get it done, and it's good Good rain. So yeah, that's what it takes, man. Make your tribe, learn how it works for you. Whether it's wrestling and chasing chickens, or if it's just, you know, making sure your house doesn't fall down and whatever. Why? Because that's what heroes do.